here we have a Cara Cara navel orange, then a grapefruit which had 2 Rio Red grapefruits on it, which were absolutely delicious. But it is in shock. This is a blood orange, which blood oranges are supposed to be able to take a little bit colder temperatures, as well as Cara Cara oranges. And then this is a Kefir lime, which is a non-edible type of lime. It's used, the leaves are used for culinary purposes. And the juice from the lime is actually used for cleaning. That's how strongly acidic it is. But it doesn't look very happy. Here is my blue Brazilian mimosa.
1 hour later.
And behind it is an oleander. This is Jacaranda mimosiflora, which is a Brazilian blue flowered mimosa. Took a lot of damage. Don't know if it's gonna live. Back here, this is another one of my Cara Cara navel oranges, which is severely burnt, followed by another Rio Red grapefruit, which really didn't do anything. Now that's a raised bed that had basil and tomatoes that did pretty well last year. But this Rio Red grapefruit is struggling. Across here is another Cara Cara orange. From these are tangerines. Unspecified tangerine tree, which gives hundreds and hundreds of tangerines every year, severely damaged.
2 hours later.
Here we get to look at the kumquats, which I thought immediately after the freeze were doing better than they are. I mean, all of the leaves are coming off of this guy. Some of those branches and stems may be okay, but it's got a lot of healing to do.
3 hours later.
So here we are now, 1 week after the freeze that hit Houston. The loquat tree is gonna make it. It has tip damage and fruit damage, but it's gonna make it. I don't know if it's gonna bloom again, but those fruit are gone. When we pan across here to my blood orange, don't know how it's doing. I mean, it looks pretty bad. It's gonna lose all of its foliage, but I think the stem is good. The primary trunk. Now, when we come across here to my Dancy tangerine, this one looks really bad. This was my most prolific, other than my Meyer lemon